Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a fast trip back to 2012 to look at a phone that felt like the future, the iPhone 5. Why did it matter? Let's find out. Apple kept the familiar look but stretched it taller, a 4-inch Retina display. That extra height wasn't huge, but it made apps, mail, and video feel less cramped. The aluminum and glass design made it feel premium and, crucially, lighter and thinner than before. Under the hood, the dual-core S6 chip. It wasn't about raw cores, it was about speed improvements that users actually noticed: smoother scrolling, faster app launches. LTE support arrived more widely, so mobile web and streaming felt genuinely usable. Battery life was modestly better, enough to get most people through a day with normal use. The 8-megapixel camera took solid daytime photos and shot 1080p video. For many, it replaced point-and-shoots. Low-light photos were okay but noisy compared with later phones. The taller screen made watching videos and browsing photos nicer too. Two things stirred debate: Lightning. Apple's new, smaller connector meant new cables and adapters. Also, the 4-inch size later felt small as phones grew, but at the time it hit a sweet spot for one-hand use. The iPhone 5 is a milestone. It moved iPhones toward larger, lighter, faster devices and introduced design choices that lasted for years. Today, it's slow compared with modern phones and many apps no longer support its iOS versions, but as a design icon and a snapshot of mobile progress, it still matters. If you had an iPhone 5, tell me your favorite memory in the comments. Was it that new phone feeling, the photos, or just finally getting LTE? If you enjoyed this Tech Rewind, like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.